In this video, we'll show you how to add data packs to your Minecraft world. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you want to change the game mechanics, add custom features, or get new content without installing mods, data packs are perfect for that. First, open up your web browser and then go to curseforge.com. Now when you're here, you can click on Minecraft. This will take you to the Minecraft section. You'll have different categories like mods, mod packs, texture packs, and data packs. Click on data packs and this will show you all the available data packs on CurseForge. So here you can browse through the data packs and look for the ones you want to download. Or you can also type in the search bar. So for example, I want to search more mobs, so it's going to be this one. And when you find the data packs you want to download, you can click on the page. Before we continue, a huge thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to set up a Minecraft server, definitely check out Apex Hosting. You can find the link in the description and I'll pin it in the comment. Apex Hosting gives you fast, reliable servers with zero lag. Their customer support team is there 24/7 to help you with anything. Starting a server is really easy and quick, and you'll be playing with your friends in no time. Thank you so much for supporting us by using them. Now here we're going to click on the Files tab. This will show you all the available versions of the data pack. So you need to download the version that matches your Minecraft version. So if you're playing Minecraft 1.21, find the file that says 1.21. Make sure the version matches exactly, or the data pack might not work properly. Once you find the right version, you can click on the three dots and then hit download file. Now here, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it will save to your downloads folder. You can hit save and it will start downloading. After you finish downloading, you'll have the data packs in a zip file. You don't need to extract it. You can open the Minecraft launcher and here go to the installation tab. Find the one that matches the version you want to add data pack to. Once you find it, on the right, click on the folder icon to go to the installation folder. Alright, now here, look for a folder called saves. So it's going to be this one. Open it up and you'll see all your worlds listed here. Find the world you want to add the data pack to and open it up. Inside you'll see several folders and files for that specific world. Now here, look for a folder named data packs. This one. You're going to open it up and this is where we're going to put the data packs into. So let's go ahead and do that. Simply drag and drop the data pack zip file from the downloads folder into the Minecraft installation. And that's done. Everything is installed. So now you can go back to the Minecraft launcher, and once you're in the game, you might need to reload the world to activate the data pack. Press T to open the chat and then type /reload like that and press enter. This will reload all data packs and make sure everything's working properly. And to confirm your data pack is installed correctly, open the chat again and type data pack list. This command will show you all active data packs in your world. You should see the data pack listed here. Now when you explore the world, you'll start seeing new features from the data pack.